The Lord is my chauffeur. I shall not speed. He maketh me to drive down uncluttered multi-lane freeways. He leadeth me to a pump with low prices. He restoreth my coolant. He leadeth me between the white lines I might miss for my own sake. Yea, though I drive through sobriety checkpoint, I shall be not paranoid. And I have AAA. Thy red lights and stop signs, they comfort me. Thou preparest a smog check before me in the presence of the state police. Thou anointest my engine with oil, my tank runneth over. Surely, low insurance rates will follow me all the days of my life, and I will ride on a Rolls or a limo forever.